We are here in Highland Park at the North Shore building. You all know and love the old elevator in here. Here it is. The old Reliance. Looks like there's a cricket in the shaft. So this elevator has been modded twice since it was installed. Once, the first time, it was modded by Reliance and it received this new cab and it received this new panel. The second mod simply replaced the relay logic with a new microprocessor based controller. So you'll notice this runs like a newer elevator, kind of, even though it's an old gated one. So without further ado, let's head up. And of course, that's the Reliance logo from the mod. That's the old Reliance logo from when this elevator was first put in. Let's go up. The gate operator. I wonder, we will take another ride, but just for right now I'm going to open the door because I'd like to see if we can get a good look at that door operator. You can see right there that's new little interlock there to hold the gate shut. It's a bit dark. I don't think we can get a good view of the gate operator. I really need to start bringing a flashlight around. Anyway. Another view at the cab. These doors are heavy. I'm surprised they didn't automate these in any of the mods. Alright. Watch that gate close up. Can we just make the gate reverse? Let's watch it close again. If you just hold the button, it just instantly reverses and closes right back up again. Alright, we're going to get off on 2. We're going to see if we can send it down and watch it go down and maybe get a glimpse of the car top. That old interlock, let's get a shot of that. So let's let it close. Maybe not. In that case, we'll send it down. I'll watch it. There it goes. It should go down now. Maybe not. Anyway, that'll be all.